I've been dying to see your reaction to this video, Sam, from the moment. I've just been dying, right?
Yeah.
Because at first I thought it was a joke where the guy was in on the joke. But now I realise it like the reaction at the end makes me realise he probably wasn't. So, right, there's a construction worker. He's out there pounding bricks, Sam. He's out there with one of them big pneumatic fucking, the things that pat down the
press.
the press.
That's hydraulic press, but whatever the fuck.
Yeah, the pneumatic press. And, to pat down surfaces so it's nice and compressed and even and flat so you can put in the liquid cement. Basically, the foundations that wet cement and stuff will go onto. And there's a guy out there, he's pounding away one of the things. And again, if you've ever used any of these, machines, it really does take it out of you. It's a lot harder than it looks.
All the vibrations, it's like getting a workout in your muscles. Your muscles feel raw as fuck afterwards because it's just been vibing the whole time. It
was like what they used to say about the pneumatic finger. You ever seen that? No. Where like your finger, it completely fucks up the circulation in your fingers, and they go white and they can't move.
All right.
Yeah, you can check that out. But anyway, so this guy, he's there, he's pounding brick, working hard. He's in the fucking sun, and someone hands him a beer. Just turn the machine off, mate. Just watch this video, mate. It's so retarded.
3, 2, 1, go. When he tilts it up to his lips. Oh, I gotta put that on again. He's so angry at the bottle at the end.
I know he's so angry at the end. His entire bottle gone to fucking
Dino with his oh, fucking hell. I can't believe he tried to drink it after seeing what was happening. Look at him. Fucking hell. And then he turns it off after he launches the bottle on the floor. Look at that top bit. He's just splashing in his own face.
Fuck, I knew you'd find that fucking hilarious. It's the way he can't get it to his lips, man. No matter how hard he tries. Like,
Oh, you fucking god.
I've been dying to show you that. Like, I nearly sent you that on Skype, but I've just been holding up. I've been holding on to that for the show.
So you've done well at it. You've got to keep the reaction raw.
Yeah, that's how I did it. Like, oh, fucking hell. Whew. It's unreal, isn't it, man?
I let you off once before, but you still got the nerve to come back here and make